la. La la la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
From back hanggang buong bansa, lahat pwedeng sumali. Pokemon World, dito ka na. Beats and awards, laban na. End user, DWG. Tara na, suppliala, observer, salina. Sa bawat tanong, husay ang puhunan. Kaalaman ng tunay na sandigan. Hindi lang bilis, dapat tama rin. NGPA rules, dapat kabisado rin. Magbaka na, sumali na, sumabay. Iangat ang galing, kaalaman ay ibigay. NGPA, registry, sigaw ng bayan. Gabay ang GPPBDSO sa kaalaman. Papabili Eco, cheer natin to. Sa bawat sagot, panalo ka dito. Program heroes, tayo na ang bida. Sa Bakbakan Live, alam mo na to. Hindi lang laro, ito'y aral din. Tamang proseso ang ating hangarin. From planning hanggang awarding, dapat klaro, walang sablay sa checking. Transparency, value for money, public trust, yan ang legacy. Sa bawat click may responsibilidad. Para sa bayan, ito'y mahalaga't tapat. Sinong handa? Sinong bida? From LGU to national stage, ready na lahat. At GPL to national style. NGPA, ready na lahat. Bakbakan na, ito na ang laban. Kaalaman ang puhunan, serbisyo sa bayan. NGPA, ready ngayon at bukas. GPPBTSO, nangunguna sa lahat. Papaili Eco, kasama sa saya. Sa bawat tanong, may bagong pag-asa. Procuren para sa bawat Pilipino. Sa Bakbakan Live, panalo ka dito.
Handa ka na bang makibakbakan? Sa maikling video na ito, ituturo namin kung paano sumali sa bakbakan, ang live Kahoot quiz game ng GPPBTSO. Siguraduhing nakaredy ang iyong device, internet connection, at mabilis na daliri dahil bilis at tamang sagot ang kailangan dito. Paano nga ba sumali sa bakbakan? Step 1. Magpunta sa official GPPBTSO Facebook page mula 12 noon hanggang 12:15 PM para sa bakbakan live stream. Mas recommended gumamit ng dalawang device, isa para sa FB Live at isa para sa Kahoot. Step 2. Abangan ang Kahoot game pin na ilalabas sa live stream pagsapit ng 12:15 PM. Step 3. Sa iyong browser, pumunta sa www.kahoot.it. Ilagay ang iyong nickname at ang game pin na makikita sa screen. Step 4. Kung isang device lang ang gamit, manatili sa Kahoot screen pagkatapos makapasok. Huwag nang lumipat-lipat ng app o tab para hindi malate sa pagsagot. Step 5. Sumali sa bakbakan sa pamamagitan ng mabilis at tamang pagsagot sa mga tanong na lalabas sa Kahoot. Paalala, maaaring may delay ang FB Live broadcast, kaya mag-focus sa device kung saan nakabukas ang Kahoot screen. Step 6. Makikita sa Kahoot ang iyong ranking. Kung pasok ka sa top 3, i-screenshot agad ang iyong screen at mag-message sa GPPBTSO Facebook page para ma-verify ang iyong panalo. At iyon ang paraan para makasali sa bakbakan. Tandaan, abangan na ang live stream, pumasok sa Kahoot on time, at mag-focus sa iyong Kahoot screen para hindi mahuli sa pagsagot. Kaya ihanda na ang sarili, itest ang procurement knowledge at bakbaka na!
La la la. La la la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
From back hanggang buong bansa, lahat pwedeng sumali. Pokemon World, dito ka na! Beats and awards, laban na! End user, DWG! Tara na! Suplya, observer, salina! Sa bawat tanong, husay ang puhunan. Kaalaman ng tunay na sandigan. Hindi lang bilis, dapat tama rin. NGPA rules, dapat kabisado rin. Bakbaka na, sumali na, sumabay. Iangat ang galing, kaalaman ay ibigay. NGPA, registry, sigaw ng bayan. Gabay ang GPPBDSO sa kaalaman. Papabili eko, cheer natin to. Sa bawat sagot, panalo ka dito. Procurement heroes, tayo na ang bida. Sa Bakbakan Live, alam mo na to. Hindi lang
Handa ka na bang makibakbakan? Sa maikling video na ito, ituturo namin kung paano sumali sa bakbakan, ang live Kahoot quiz game ng GPPB-TSO. Siguraduhing nakaredy ang iyong device, internet connection, at mabilis na daliri dahil bilis at tamang sagot ang kailangan dito. Paano nga ba sumali sa bakbakan? Step 1. Magpunta sa official GPPB-TSO Facebook page mula 12 noon hanggang 12:15 PM para sa bakbakan live stream. Mas recommended gumamit ng dalawang device, isa para sa FB Live at isa para sa Kahoot. Step 2. Abangan ang Kahoot game pin na ilalabas sa live stream pagsapit ng 12:15 PM. Step 3. Sa iyong browser, pumunta sa www.kahoot.it. Ilagay ang iyong nickname at ang game pin na makikita sa screen. Step 4. Kung isang device lang ang gamit, manatili sa Kahoot screen pagkatapos makapasok. Huwag nang lumipat-lipat ng app o tab para hindi malate sa pagsagot. Step 5. Sumali sa bakbakan sa pamamagitan ng mabilis at tamang pagsagot sa mga tanong na lalabas sa Kahoot. Paalala, maaaring may delay ang FB Live broadcast, kaya mag-focus sa device kung saan nakabukas ang Kahoot screen. Step 6. Makikita sa Kahoot ang iyong ranking. Kung pasok ka sa top 3, i-screenshot agad ang iyong screen at mag-message sa GPPB-TSO Facebook page para ma-verify ang iyong panalo. At iyon ang paraan para makasali sa bakbakan. Tandaan, abangan na ang live stream. Pumasok sa Kahoot on time at mag-focus sa iyong Kahoot screen para hindi mahuli sa pagsagot. Kaya ihanda na ang sarili, itest ang procurement knowledge at bakbaka na!
Hello mga kabakbakan! What's up everyone? Welcome to another exciting, fun-filled and knowledge-packed episode of Bakbakan Live, ang show na nagpapatunay na ang procurement ay hindi lang tungkol sa bidding, kundi pwede rin maging winning. I am Marky Duetes, your host, bumabangon para sa bagong Pilipinas. At today mga beshies, hindi lang tayo maglalaro at matututo. Magse-celebrate rin tayo today because it's Pride Month! A round of applause naman dyan mga bebe. Ayan, salamat sa suporta ng a month dedicated to celebrating diversity, authenticity, and the freedom to be who you truly are. Dito sa Pride Month, we recognize the contributions, voices, and stories of the LGBTQIA community while continuing the conversation on equality, respect, and inclusion. Pero wait, baka iniisip nyo, no? Ano naman ang connection ng Pride Month sa procurement? Well, plot twist. Just like Pride Month promotes inclusivity and equal opportunities for everyone, inclusive procurement is all about creating fair and accessible opportunities for different sectors to participate in government procurement processes. Meaning, mas maraming pagkakataon para sa iba't ibang negosyo, organisasyon at stakeholders na maging bahagi ng development ng ating bansa. Because when everyone gets a seat at the table, mas creative, mas innovative, at mas inclusive ang outcomes natin. So sa episode po na ito, no, pag-uusapan natin kung paano nagtatagpo ang values ng Pride Month at inclusive procurement, because inclusion, it's not just a celebration, it's a practice. So baka magtaka po kayo, no? Ang ating po mga tanong sa ating Kahoot ay halo po about Pride Month celebration and inclusive procurement. But before anything else, I would like to greet our 240 viewers in our Facebook Live. Keep it coming, guys! Let's celebrate! Of course, no, hindi rin magiging possible ang episode na ito without the Government Procurement Policy Board Technical Support Office sa pangunguna po ng aming butihing officer in charge, Attorney Sofia Cianto Abad. A round of applause, everyone! Hello po, OIC, at sa patuloy syempre na pagsulong ng transparent, efficient, at inclusive procurement para sa ating bayan. And of course, a huge shout out to our episode's major sponsor, Duty Free Philippines. Thank you for helping us bring this colorful and meaningful episode to life. In celebration of Migrant Workers Month, Duty Free Philippines proudly offers the Balik Bayan Sale. Enjoy up to 30% off on selected items from June 19 to 21 at Fiesta Mall, Parañaque City. As we honor the dedication, sacrifices, and contributions of our overseas Filipino workers and Balikbayans, we invite everyone to take part in this special shopping event filled with exciting offers and exclusive deals. Join us as we celebrate the Filipino spirit of hard work, homecoming, and gratitude. See you there, guys! So let's go back here sa ating Bakbakan Live. So paano nga ba sumali? So again, para sumali, panoorin po natin ang ating VTR.
Handa ka na bang makibakbakan? Sa maikling video na ito, ituturo namin kung paano sumali sa bakbakan, ang live Kahoot quiz game ng GPPB-TSO. Siguraduhing nakaredy ang iyong device, internet connection, at mabilis na daliri dahil bilis at tamang sagot ang kailangan dito. Paano nga ba sumali sa bakbakan? Step 1. Magpunta sa official GPPB-TSO Facebook page mula 12 noon hanggang 12:15 p.m. para sa bakbakan live stream. Mas recommended gumamit ng dalawang device, isa para sa FB Live at isa para sa Kahoot. Step 2. Abangan ang Kahoot game pin na ilalabas sa live stream pagsapit ng 12:15 p.m. Step 3. Sa iyong browser, pumunta sa www.kahoot.it. Ilagay ang iyong nickname at ang game pin na makikita sa screen. Step 4. Kung isang device lang ang gamit, manatili sa Kahoot screen pagkatapos makapasok. Huwag nang lumipat-lipat ng app o tab para hindi malate sa pagsagot. Step 5. Sumali sa bakbakan sa pamamagitan ng mabilis at tamang pagsagot sa mga tanong na lalabas sa Kahoot. Paalala, maaaring may delay ang FB Live broadcast, kaya mag-focus sa device kung saan nakabukas ang Kahoot screen. Step 6. Makikita sa Kahoot ang iyong ranking. Kung pasok ka sa top 3, i-screenshot agad ang iyong screen at mag-message sa GPPB-TSO Facebook page para ma-verify ang iyong panalo. At iyon ang paraan para makasali sa bakbakan. Tandaan, abangan na ang live stream Pumasok sa Kahoot on time at mag-focus sa iyong Kahoot screen para hindi mahuli sa pagsagot. Kaya ihanda na ang sarili, itest ang procurement knowledge at bakbaka na!
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Simple lamang ang paraan para sumali po sa ating activity this afternoon. So at this juncture, we're going to show you guys the game pin ng ating Kahoot. So you may, again, simply visit kahoot.it and enter the game pin code 8970474. Ayan, so ayan, ang bilis. Meron na po kaagad tayong nagsisipasok na participants. So, ayan, keep it coming, guys. But before that, I would like to shout out our viewers. Ayan, may mga nakita po ako, no? Attorney Ellen Nalia, shout out po sa inyo dyan. As mentioned, let's read po ang kanyang comments sa ating sa Facebook. Ayan, Attorney Ellen Nalia mentioned that not joining the game but watching and supporting all the way from Cebu. To Sir Marky and of course to the GPPB. Happy Pride Month! Ayan, tapos we also have viewers from DNR, Ma'am Dayan Ibias. Hi, Ma'am. From ERC, hello po. Ayan, so, uy, Prof. Kuya, may estudyante pa ako dito. No? Hi, Ron. Ayan. And also, sino pa watching from Switzerland? Switzerland ba talaga yan? Alright, so anyway, very timely yung participants natin if you're from abroad, no? Kasi yung ating duty free is offering some balikbayan boxes in celebration nga po of our Migrant Workers Week. So, as mentioned, no, syempre hindi naman po makukumpleto ang activity na ito kung wala po tayong papremyo sa ating pong mga winners for this Kahoot activity. So we're just going to share to you guys the prizes that you might get from GPPB and of course to our major sponsor Duty Free once po na manalo po kayo sa ating Bakbakan Live. So for third place, we have here a tote bag from Duty Free. Ayan, it is so very fashionable tote bag. Diba? Tingnan nyo. Pag sinuot ko siya, wala na, finish na. Oh, ang ganda. So third place, we have tote bag. For second place naman, we still have, again, tote bag and umbrella. Umbrella, lalo na ngayon guys, very maulan. Very maulan. Maulan po ang panahon, na rainy season na po. Tignan nyo. Ay. Oh, it's a prank. Medyo kinabahan ako doon ng very late naman. Ayan, so check. Lalagay po namin yung yellow basket. The joke lang. This is a prize po sa ating second place winner. And for our first placer or champion for this activity, we have, of course, this special block box from Duty Free. Ayan. Siyempre, bago ko po i-reveal, I just want everyone po to also like and share our page po together with the page din ng Duty Free Philippines for sponsoring our activity this afternoon. Ayan. So gusto niyo na po malaman kung ano po ang laman ng ating block box po na ito. Siyempre, ako muna. Hala, grabe. Charing lang. So, for our first place sa ating activity this afternoon, syempre ang ating black box po ay nagko-contain ng tumbler, notebook, of course, pen, and the universal app adapter. Syempre, baka malaglag baka ma-receive yun ng defect, hindi ko maganto no? Pero anyways, bongga po siya. 10 over 10, kung makakasali po kayo, join na po tayong lahat para po sa prizes ng Duty Free Philippines. Ayan, so please make sure po na sa inyong Kahoot po kayo mag-check dahil may konting delay po tayo sa ating FB Live. So this Pride Month Bakbakan Edition ay Pride Pop Culture and Inclusive Procurement under RA 12009 and its IRR. So get ready dahil may games, may prizes, may learnings. At syempre, may good vibes tayong ihahain ngayong araw. So, muli, Ito ang Bakbakan Live, where learning is fun, inclusion is celebrated, and everybody gets a chance to shine. Kaya para po sa lahat ng nasa ating Kahoot activity, Manda! Ayan, so let's check kung ilan na po ba ang bilang ng ating players this afternoon. So total of 96, no? But keep it coming, everyone. Pwede po tayong sumali, lalo na ang ating mga questions ay hindi lamang po about procurement but also about Pride Month celebration. Ayan, so let's check sino-sino po ba yung mga viewers natin, no? Ayan, we also have from Summer State University Bacsek. Shout out po sa inyo, magandang hapon. Kain na po tayo ng lunch while watching Bakbakan Live. We also have Miss Dayan. Hi, Sir Marky and Miss Laika. Wow, may supporters si Miss Laika kahit behind the camera po siya. May fans club po kasi si Miss Laika dito sa office. Madami po sila. Ayan. Nag-improve na ang mga prices. Hindi lang yan ngayon, sir. Watch out for the succeeding episodes of Bakbakan Live. Ano yung mga naka-line up nating pa-premyo, guys? Okay, para malaman nyo, subaybayan nyo po ang bawat episodes ng Bakbakan Live. Ano pa lang to? Warm up pa lang to. Legit, warm up pa lang yung prices eh. Gusto nyo ba i-reveal na natin yung grand prize? Kaso sa ano pa yun eh, December. Char lang, joke lang po. So, ayan, shout out from Procurement Service. Ayan, ipa 300 views natin to, guys. So, if you have more co-workers having free time as of this moment, you can send the link and invite them to join our Bakbakan Live episode this afternoon. Ayan. From Procurement Service, hi to Miss Lisa Vega and Miss Jocelyn Beslig. Greetings from Sir James Enchong Malagu. Ayan. So, yan si Ma'am Lisa and Ma'am Jocelyn Beslig ay currently nakain po sila ngayon. Ayan. Sabi ni Miss Mary Joyce Strico, ready na. Excited naman si Ma'am Mary Joyce. Alright, so ilan na po ba ang current count ng ating participants? We have 100 plus already, and I believe you guys are ready na rin para sa ating Kahoot. So, ayan, so but before we start, no, update lang po on Duty Free. They're also celebrating Father's Day. So, everyone, if you want to celebrate Father's Day, you may visit Duty Free Philippines and do some shopping spree. O, diba? Diba? Mahusay. So, ready na po bang lahat para sa ating official Kahoot activity? Ayan. So, keep it coming, guys. We have already how many viewers na, no? Almost 300. Almost pa lang eh. Dapat palagpasin natin ng 300 to, guys. So, we have 276 viewers as of this moment. So, you can post a picture po, no, sa ating comment section while watching Bakbakan Live. So, i-rate po namin yan. Rating mga viewers ng Bakbakan Live. Yan. So, yun po yung magiging first segment po natin sa next episode. Check natin kung aesthetic yung mga naging pictures po ninyo sa comment section. So, ang mapipili po ay mananalo ng, ayan, ang mapapanalunan natin? Free pilot training on procurement management. Alright, so ayan, let's again check kung sino-sino na po ang nasa ating Kahoot Live activity. We have Bakbang, ano ba to? Lipstick, si Rumi, si Ting, tiis-tiis muna. Bakit Pecha de Peligro na po ba? Ayan, si Get, Ow, si Ken, si Hello, Hi, Tita Mama, ayan, si Ness, Laguna Boy, shout out Laguna Boy. Kamusta naman ang Laguna? Ayan. So again, you may still join our Kahoot activity by simply typing in your browser or your cell phone kahoot.it and enter po our game pin 8970474. Dahil ngayon po ay mag-start na po tayo ng ating activity. Ready now? Let's proceed to our first question. For our first question, which pride flag color comes second? And this now jokingly called Charmaine online. So ayan, alam kong aware na aware po tayong lahat dito sa term po na ito ngayon, especially sa mga mahilig gumamit ng kanilang TikTok app. 2, 1. So let's check. Ayan, majority of our participants got it correct. The correct answer is orange. So let's check po sa ating leaderboard kung sino po ang nangunguna for our first question. Congratulations, Fishy B. Ayan, with 981 points, followed by SSU Backsec. Ayan, orange become Charmaine. It is because of the viral TikTok skit by content creator Baet, no? In the joke, the orange fruit complains, bakit daw kasi orange yung pangalan niya? Eh, orange nga yung kulay niya. So, it is named also suggested to be revised dahil ang gusto niya nga daw pong pangalan ay Charmaine. So the randomness is what made it more funnier, and the internet ran this with a joke. Diba sabi nga ni Tekla habang naliligo siya sa swimming pool, talaga ba Charmaine? Alright, so let's now proceed to our second question. For our second question, Vice gonna become the first LGBTQIA MMFF Best Actor winner for which 2025 films? Alright, so again, we have 300 viewers na po. Now, keep it coming. Pwede pa po tayong humabol kasi nasa pangalawang question pa lamang po tayo. Ayan, so... And the correct answer is... Call Me Mother. Very recent lang po ito. Pero marami po ang mali. So, anyway, so let's check po ang ating leaderboard kung na-maintain po ng kaninang rank 1 ng kanyang position. Alright, Fishy V is still our rank 1 as of this second question. So, alright, so during the awards night, Vice Ganda celebrated the milestone by saying that queer people can be best actor and that a queer person in a gown can be a best actor, making the win a historic moment for LGBTQIA+ representation in the Philippine cinema. Ayan, sa mga hindi po nakapasok sa Kahoot, pwede po sa comment section, pwede po kayong mag-type doon ng inyong sagot po. Alright, again, the correct answer is Call Me Mother. Alright, let's proceed sa ating third question. For our third question, which Dolphy film honored the life of Walterina Markova, a real-life gay man forced into sexual slavery by the Imperial Japanese Army during World War II and won him Best Actor in Brussels? Ayan. Dito po, maglalaban-laban po tayo ng pop culture knowledge and procurement knowledge na rin later. Let's check. The correct answer is Markova Comfort Gay. Now, let's check kung na-maintain ni Fishy V ang kanyang ranking. Let's check the leaderboard. Ayun! Nalaglag si Fishy B at pinalitan siya ni SOC with 2,898 points. You know po, no? The powerful performance earned Dolphy, Eric, and Jeffrey the Prix de la Milieu interpretation of Best Performance at the Brussels International Film Festival, making Dolphy one of the few actors celebrated internationally for portraying both the masculine and feminine sides of a single character. The film is widely regarded as one of the finest dramatic performances of Dolphy's career and a landmark of LGBTQIA film in the Philippine cinema. Mahu is Sai. All right, let's now proceed to the next question. Next question, in the movie Tanging Ina, si Peter Ivan Potenciano ay pang-ilan anak ni Ina Montesillo? So again guys, no, you may please like and share our Facebook page. And also again, salamat po Duty Free. Ayan. So usong-uso ngayon yung theme song ng pelikulang ito. Alright, the correct answer is Panglemas. Kaya po siya ay Pip. Very obvious ang kanyang clue. Alright, let's check the leaderboard. Ayun. Pretty Rich Tijom. Ay, parang familiar naman yun. Hello po sa ating rank 1. Congratulations po. No? You know what? Pip, portrayed by Alwin Oitinco, is in the original film, become one of the franchise most memorable characters because he was depicted as gay son whose coming out journey was eventually accepted by Ina Montesillo, making him one of the early LGBTQ+ character in mainstream Filipino family comedies. Pip, 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 ang sabi ng Jim. Alright. So let's proceed sa ating next question. In the Drag Race Philippines franchise, who is crowned as the first winner? Ayan, kung mahilig po tayong manood ng Drag Race. Again, sa mga hindi po makapasok sa Kahoot, pwede po tayong mag-comment ng inyong sagot sa ating FB Live comment section. 2, 1, and the correct answer is Precious Paula Nicole. So, let's check no kung sino po ang ating leaderboard or nasa leaderboard po natin. Pretty Rich Tijom. Grabe, gano'n kaya siya kayaman, no? So, pretty na, rich pa, nasa'yo na po ang lahat. Pahingi naman yan. Alright, congratulations Pretty Rich Tijom for securing or maintaining your position sa ating rank 1. As the first ever Drag Race Philippines champion, Precious Paula Nicole won 1 million pesos and helped bring Filipino drag culture to a wider audience, making her victory one of the franchise most iconic moments. Sabi nga ni Mama PPN, life is precious and so we are. Let's continue to inspire and let's continue to love. All right, let's proceed sa ating next question. What was the Have Abby song that Scrambled Tropa on TikTok popularized? Ito po yung, yung scramble. Tapos tataas niya. Tapos i-check niya kung may mahuhulog or wala. Or kung yung consistency ng scramble. Actually, kinabahan yung ice cream company. Tinataas, chine-check din kung may matutulo. Ano yung, Blizzard? Oo. Ayan. So, the correct answer is Para sa Streets. Pwede ba nating isample yung kanta ng Para sa Streets? Meron po kami ditong singer eh. Yes, Mac, alam mo ba kantahin yung Para sa Streets? Nahihiya ang ating kasama dito. May singer kami dito. Tawag ng tanghalan finally siya actually. Well, let's check kung ano na po ang naging ranking natin currently. Oh my God, Pretty Rich Tijom is still our rank 1. Diba? So again, while Para sa Streets become one of Have Abby's breakout hits, his rise on TikTok also helped pave way on the other viral track like yung Alam Mo Ba Girl, cementing his status of one of the biggest names in modern Pinoy hip-hop. O, diba? Scramble! Tara? Alright, let's proceed sa ating next question. And the famous Darlentina Ship who played the role of Regina Vanguardia. Ayan. So very recent version ata to ng Darda. Let's check. Ayan, so we also like to again hello po sa ating mga viewers sa Facebook. Kamusta? Pwede pa po tayong mag-join. And the correct answer is Janela Salvador. Di pwede kay nanay, di pwede kay tatay. Kanta niya yon, hindi niyo alam ba yan? Okay, so let's check the famous ranking. Okay, let's check po our ranking as of this moment. The Pretty Rich Tijom pa rin po ba? Pretty Rich Tijom medyo sinisemento niya na po ang kanyang pagiging rank 1, pero kaya pa natin yan siyang habulin. Run! Okay, run, takbo. Okay, so in the famous Darlentina, alam nyo ba na kahit sila po ay magkalaban sa Philippine comics and television, fans embrace their unexpected dynamic in the 2022 series, making Darlentina one of the most talked about ships online and generating a huge following on social media, despite not being an official romantic pairing. So sabi nga ng mga GL fans community, yun daw yung kanilang multo sa Philippine television. Alright, so let's now proceed sa ating next question. What 1982 film starred Nora Honor and Vilma Santos in one of PH Cinema's iconic lesbian theme stories? Yan. Medyo panahon to ng ating mga magulang. Pero baka napanood nyo. Alright, and the correct answer is T-Bird at Ako. Alright, let's check kung sino po ang ating rank 1. After 8 questions, Pretty Rich Tijam is still our rank 1 as of how many questions na yon? Pang 8 questions. So, you know what guys? At the time when LGBTQ themes were rarely explored in mainstream Filipino films, T-Bird at Ako boldly tackled same-sex attraction with emotional depth and became a landmark movie, further cementing the legendary screen partnership between Nora Honor and Vilma Santos, ang mga kauna-unahan nating GL couple. Diba? Sila yon. Okay, so I think we're now going to proceed with the inclusive procurement question naman po. Ayan, ready na po ba? So this time, baka pwede na pong bumawi yung mga members of the back, members ng TWG and procurement offices or sections po natin. Ready na po ba tayo? Alright, so bumawi po tayong lahat with our questions regarding inclusive procurement. Alright, blank shall likewise ensure that procurement practices contribute to poverty reduction and respect fundamental labor standards. Alright, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And the correct answer is Inclusive Procurement Program. All right, so we have 48 correct participants now. So let's check kung sino po ang rank 1 para po sa ating Kahoot ranking. So si Miss Pretty Rich Tijam pa rin po ang ating rank 1 as of this moment. Pero kaya pa yan. Kaya pang habulin yan, guys. So you know what, again, Inclusive Procurement Program promotes supports on poverty reduction and follow basic labor standards while ensuring sustainable and responsible purchasing practices. So as you can see here at Section 75, Inclusive Procurement Program was defined for equal opportunities to the vulnerable and marginalized sectors, as well as micro-enterprises, social enterprises, and startup in public procurement. All right, so let's proceed sa ating next question. During the blank, procuring entity shall prioritize measures with enhanced social impact when defining the type and objectives of the project. All right, so let's see. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the correct answer is, ayan, market scoping. Tama, no? Strategic procurement planning stage pala. Okay, sorry. Mali yung nasa screen ko. Okay, so let's check po kung sino po ang currently rank 1. Si Pretty Rich Tijam pa rin ba? Pretty Rich Tijam, mahusay ka. Magkita tayo soon. Kung sino man po kayo. Alright, congratulations Pretty Rich Tijam. So again, In the strategic procurement planning stage, procuring entities identify and prioritize project measures that create stronger social impact before actual procurement begins. As you can see here on 75.2, during the strategic procurement planning stage, procuring entities shall prioritize measures with enhanced social impact when defining the type and objectives of the project to be procured in accordance with Section 7 of this IRR. All right, so again, we'd like to greet, of course, our Facebook Live viewers. We're currently on 235 viewers, guys. You can still visit our Facebook page, like, and of course, follow po on more government procurement announcement and advisories. All right, let's proceed to our next question. In identifying its procurement requirements, the procuring entities should particularly consider accessibility and exclusivity. Is it true or false? Ayan. So again, shout out po to our viewers. I would like to greet my mom, Entrese Martirez. Hello po, kain ka na ma. And also sa mga friends ko po, ayan, the correct answer is false. Medyo marami pong sumagot ng true. Bakit? Tsareng. So, let's check our ranking. Kung na-maintain po ni Miss Pretty Rich Tijam, siya pa rin talaga. So, ano po ito? Battle for second place na lang po ba ito? Kaya pa yan. I'm encouraging everyone to fight. Tsareng. Lumaban tayo. Kaya pa yan. So, again, procuring entities should focus on accessibility and inclusivity po, not exclusivity. So more suppliers can join and stay fair. In short po, buksan po natin ang oportunidad at huwag po nating ilimit para sa mas marami pong makasali at magkaroon ng patas na laban. Ayan. So ayan, as mentioned, inclusivity, not exclusivity. All right, let's now proceed to our next question. Again, true or false po ulit. Social criteria may include adherence to fundamental labor standards and human rights. True or false? All right, so we have 9 seconds left. You have 9 seconds left to answer, pero i-greet ko muna yung mga kasamahan po natin dyan, no? Sa GPPB. Kamusta po? Nag-lunch na po ba kayong lahat? Opo, mag-lunch po tayo at sumali po tayo sa bakbakan. Ayan. Shout out daw po to Jamie Texon. Alright, the correct answer is true. Yan. So, true po ang tamang sagot. So, let's check po our leaderboard. Sino po ang nangunguna? Mahusay, si Pretty Rich Tijam. Siya pa rin po ang nangunguna sa ating bakbakan. So, true po ito. Social criteria can include compliance with fundamental labor standards and human rights, ensuring workers are treated fairly and protected. In simple terms po, no, tinitignan din ang pagtrato sa tao kung may dignidad, safety, at karapatan sa trabaho. As also mentioned here, at 75.3, it is on the adherence to fundamental labor standards and human rights. Letter A. All right, so let's now proceed to our next question. All right, true or false po ulit? PE shall evaluate the social impacts associated with a specific procurement project by applying LCCA. Ayan, to our Facebook Live viewers po, no, pwede po tayong sumagot kahit i-comment po natin ang ating answer via FB Live comment section. Ayan, so shout out po sa Pagbilao, Quezon Municipal Budget Officer, Back Secretariat, Ma'am Olivia B. de Guzman. Hi, Ma'am. Good afternoon. All right, the correct answer is false. False po. Ay. So let's check po our leaderboard. As of this moment, Pretty Rich Tijam po ang ating, siguro hindi na natin i-announce yung rank 1. Let's announce the rank 2. Si Brie! Si Brie po ang ating rank 2. Mahusay. Alright, again, it is true because procuring entities evaluate social impacts using social and sustainability criteria, not the life cycle costing analysis or yung LCCA, which mainly focuses on cost over the product's life cycle. In short po, LCCA para sa gastos, hindi para sa social impact. Magkaiba po siya. So as you can also see here, at 75.2.2, procuring entity shall evaluate social impact associated with specific procurement project to inform the design of bidding documents by applying LCA. All right, let's now proceed to our next question. In the conduct of blank, the procuring entities should identify opportunities. Ayan. So the correct answer is market scoping. Ayan. So let's check ang ating leaderboard kung may nangyaring pagbabago. May pagbabago ba? Or si Pretty Rich? Wala. Si Pretty Rich Tijam pa rin. So congratulations Pretty Rich Tijam for namahay ka na dyan. Di ka ba napapagod sa rank 1? Alright. So, again, during market scoping, procuring entities explore the market to identify suppliers and opportunities that can improve social impact and promote inclusion. Alright. So, let's proceed to our next question. True or false? Social criteria may be incorporated into bidding documents as part of the supplier selection criteria. Again, thank you po Duty Free Philippines for sponsoring our Bakbakan Live for this episode. Salamat po. 3, 2, 1, and the correct answer is true. Tama po. True po ang tamang sagot. Let's check our leaderboard. Oh my gosh! See? Nothing is permanent. But change. Dahil iba na po ang ating rank 1. As of this moment, now we have AMBGG or AMBIG. Binasa natin siya ng ganon. Okay. Si AMBIG, ang ating rank 1 na, nalaglag po si Pretty Rich Tijam ng very light dahil siya po ay rank 3 nila. Babawi yan, pustahan tayo. Anyway, so ayan po. Diba? Sabi ko sa inyo kaya yan. So again, social criteria can be included in bidding documents as part of supplier selection to ensure bidders meet standards like labor rights and social responsibility. In simple terms, kasama po sa pamantayan ang social responsibility. Hindi lang presyo at technical specifications ang tinitingnan. Pati kung makatao at responsable po ang supplier. So as mentioned po here, at 75.3, ayan po yung mga nakapaloob po dito, yung social criteria, letter, ayan, of our IRR. Basahin po natin. Ayan. Alright, so let's proceed to our next question. Routine monitoring and evaluation of inclusive procurement. Inclusive procurement program results shall be the supplier's role. O, diba? True or false po? So after this, kakain tayo kasi medyo... Ayan, so 3, 2, 1, and the correct answer is false. Ang saya naman since majority po ang nakakuha ng tamang sagot. So let's check our leaderboard kung nakabawi ba si Pretty Rich Tijam. Oh my gosh! Tuluyan na pong nawala si Pretty Rich Tijam sa ranking. Breaking news, everyone. Breaking news. But still, AMBIG. is still our rank 1. Again, please like and share po our Facebook page, Government Procurement PH. So again, it is false as routine monitoring and evaluation of the inclusive procurement program is the responsibility of the procuring entities, not the suppliers. So in simple terms po, hindi po suppliers ang nagmo-monitor, kundi government po o yung procuring entity ang may duty na bantayan at i-check kung effective po ang programa, habang suppliers naman po ay there just to comply and deliver. So according to 75.4, procuring entities are required and encouraged to conduct routine monitoring and evaluation of the inclusive procurement program's result, determining how much procurement possibilities can assist startups, social businesses, micro-enterprises, and vulnerable sector. All right, let's now proceed to our next question. Double points! Ayan, pwede po tayong pumawi. The blank will issue guidelines on gender-responsive public procurement covering goods, infra projects, and consulting services. Ayan, double points po ito. Pwede po tayong bumawi. Shoutout po to our viewers. Kain naman po tayo ng lunch. Mainam po na kinakamusta po namin kayo. Kamusta kayo? Ayan. Alright, the correct answer is GPPB. Diba? So, let's check the current ranking sa ating leaderboard. Ayan, si Ambuj, AMBGG, still our rank 1 and followed by Bree and Edra. So, umakyat po si Joey. And again, the GPPB or the Government Procurement Policy Board is responsible for issuing procurement policies and guidelines, including those on gender-responsive public procurement for goods. Ayan po, 75.7. So this guidelines shall prioritize women-led or women-owned businesses by ensuring their meaningful and active participation in public procurement and government contracting. Again, the correct answer is GPPB. Ayan. So before we proceed, no, ipa 300 views po natin ang ating live this afternoon. Pasok po kayo and join us here as we celebrate the Pride Month. Alright. So let's now proceed to our next question. Again, double points po ulit ito. And the question is, procuring entities shall identify inclusive procurement projects in their blank. Alright, so later may announcement po tayo. So abangan po natin yung special announcement. At kung ano man po iyon ay matutuwa po ang ating mga procuring entities. Anyways, the correct answer po is indicative APP. Alright, so let's check the ranking po as of this moment. Ayun. Si Joey po ang ating bagong rank 1, followed by Erwin. No, diba? Kasi may space. So, Erwin. And si Ambuj ay naging rank 3 na lang siya. Babawi yan. Si Pretty Rich Tijam, akit tayo ulit. Alright. So again, it is procuring entities identify inclusive procurement projects in the indicative annual procurement plan. So as mentioned here po, as 75.5 inclusive procurement projects in their procuring entity shall identify inclusive procurement project in their indicative APP aligned with section 7.7.3 of the IRR. Ayan. So I think we're going to proceed to our next question na po. True or false? So this is double points po ulit. Ang dami nating double points, no? Special question for coming from the Duty Free Philippines. Thank you so much, Duty Free. And the question is, Duty Free Philippines Corporation or DFPC has the authority to operate or franchise duty and tax-free stores in international airports and ports of entry. True or false? Alright, and the correct answer is true. Ayan, mahusay. Majority po ang tumama ang sagot. So let's check the leaderboard. Ayun. Isa lang naman po yung nag-change. Napalitan lang po ang ating rank 5. Pumasok po si Bree. So established po in 1976 through Presidential Decree number 1193, the FPC was created to generate revenue for tourism development while offering travelers tax-free luxury goods like perfumes, liquor, and chocolates. So it operates major stores in places like Ninoy Aquino International Airport, making it a key player in country's travel retail industry. All right, let's now proceed to our next question, and I believe this is the last. Tama po ba? Alright, so for our last question, pakita na yan. True or false, the Secretary of Tourism serves as chairperson of DFPC board under RA 9593. Again, this is also a double point question. All right. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the correct answer is true. The correct answer po is true. I think we're going to announce the winner na. But before that, no, let me just have this explanation. No? The setup ensures that DFPC's operations are aligned with national tourism goals, since duty-free shopping is a major part of travel experience and helps generate revenue that support tourism development programs in the Philippines. Live free with duty-free. Ayan. So here po is the Secretary of DOT, Secretary Dita Angara Matay. Alright, I think we're ready to announce the winners of this afternoon Kahoot activity. Ready na po ba kayo? Kayo po, dito sa loob ng room, ready na po ba kayo? Ayan! Diba, may energy pa kami. Okay, so let's now recognize the winners of this afternoon bakbakan. For our third place, we have AMBGG, and congratulations as you're going to receive a special tote bag from Duty Free. Ayan. So I think the team will coordinate with you po on how you may claim your prizes. And for our second place, ayun, lumabas na po pala lahat, no? We have Erwin, kasi may space. So Erwin, as you're also going to receive special tote bag and of course, umbrella po from Duty Free Philippines din. And of course, para po sa ating grand winner of this afternoon Kahoot, or Bakbakan Live, we have Joy Yee. Yan, kindly screenshot po. Congratulations, Joy, as you're going to receive a special duty-free box consisting of tumbler, notebook, ballpen, and universal adapter. Okay. Ayan po. So, kindly screenshot na lang po this proof na kayo po ay nanalo. Bring, ano po bang dapat nating dalhin? Ang i-attach, birth certificate, ano pa ba? Driver's license. Charing lang po. The screenshot will do na po. So again, Duty Free Philippines proudly offers the Father's Day sale. So enjoy up to 30% off on selected items from June 19 to 21 at Fiesta Mall, Parañaque City. Alright, so again, as mentioned kanina, meron po tayong announcement. At ano po yung announcement natin? This is regarding the special offering po of GPPB on the Procure Smart Live. So ano po ba ito? So special training po focusing on the strategic procurement planning, market scoping form. So this will be on June 25, 2026, Thursday, 8 a.m. po to 12 p.m. So kindly secure your slot na po via registering po sa special link provided po sa aming Facebook page. So kindly visit our Facebook page if you're interested to join as participant for our Procure Smart Live. Ayan, may mga need lang po tayong i-comply para po maging official participant po tayo on that special activity. And it will be, it is our pleasure to have Engineer Ditdalin Salazar as our resource person on that activity. All right, and there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, and of course, LGBTQIA plus people. So we're officially wrapping up our afternoon Bakbakan Live. So again, this is Marky Duetes, your host, at magkita-kita po tayong muli hanggang sa susunod na episode ng Bakbakan Live!
La la la. La la la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
From back hanggang buong bansa, lahat pwedeng sumali. Pokemon World, dito ka na! Beats and awards, laban na! End user, DWG! Tara na! Suppliala, observer, salina! Sa bawat tanong, husay ang puhunan. Kaalaman ng tunay na sandigan. Hindi lang bilis, dapat tama rin. NGPA rules, dapat kabisado rin. Bakbakan na, sumali na, sumabay. Iangat ang galing, kaalaman ay ibigay. NGPA, regidri, sigaw ng bayan. Gabay ang GTPPDSO sa kaalaman. Papabili Eco, cheer natin to. Sa bawat sagot, panalo ka dito. Program heroes, tayo na ang bida. Sa Bakbakan Live, alam mo na to. Hindi lang laro, ito'y aral din. Tamang proseso ang ating hangarin. From planning hanggang awarding, dapat klaro, walang sablay sa checking. Transparency, value for money, public trust, yan ang legacy. Sa bawat click may responsibilidad. Para sa bayan, ito'y mahalaga't tapat. Sinong handa? Sinong bida? From LGU to national stage, LGDA, ready na lahat. LGPA to national style. NGPA, ready na lahat. Bakbakan na, ito na ang laban. Kaalaman ang puhunan, serbisyo sa bayan. NGPA, ready ngayon at bukas. GPPBTSO, nangunguna sa lahat. Papaili Eco, kasama sa saya. Sa bawat tanong, may bagong pag-asa. Procuren para sa bawat Pilipino. Sa Bakbakan Live, panalo ka dito.